Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to cut sleeves off of a dress. So we're going to take this dress and cut the sleeves off. This is what it looks like when it's all done. No sleeves, nice, easy breezy, so comfortable. And it was so easy to do. All you need is a good pair of fabric scissors, and I have a link for these in the description of the video. So here we have our sleeve, and you can see this nice seam that goes around the sleeve. So we're gonna cut into the sleeve part and leave the rest intact. So you can find that bottom corner where the armpit area is, and you're just gonna take your fabric scissors and cut in right there. Again, we're cutting into the sleeve portion of the dress, just like that. And now that you have a little snip and a little opening, you can use your scissors and push them into that slit. And we're just gonna cut right along that seam and just cut as close as you can. Make sure you don't cut any other fabric, just the fabric of the sleeve. Any ruffles or layers, you just cut through them like that. So we've gotten to the top. Now we'll just go around the other way. So you can go back to where you started. And again, you're just cutting close to that seam, but staying on the sleeve part. And you don't want to cut through those stitches. Now we can see where we started, cut it off like that, and the sleeve is off the dress. So now we have a whole sleeve off. And if there's any little crooked parts, you can just go back in with your scissors to make them look a little better. On this channel, we're not looking for perfection. We're just getting the job done. So now that we've done that to one side, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll try it on. So I actually did an experiment, and I cut one sleeve off with the dress inside out and one sleeve off with the dress right side out, just like this. And this one turned out a lot nicer because it leaves a little bit of fabric to cover that serged edge. Whereas when you cut it inside out, you can see the serged edge. Because we were able to cut it closer to the dress, then we just see this serged edge, which maybe some people prefer that look. So if you want to see the serging instead of a little bit of fabric, then you can cut your dress inside out. But I think when I'm doing it next time, I'm going to leave it right side out, cut this way, and then you have a little bit of fabric that covers that sewed serged edge right there. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So you have one side with a little bit of fabric covering, and the other side shows the serged edge. So whatever look you like more, that's what you should do. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.